Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is on two-hand Chi Sao and how to deal with an opponent who's giving you a lot of force, whether to push you to the side or overpower you. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you once again for your continued support, and have a great day. While rolling, your opponent applies a lot of forward pressure with his fusco. As he does that, Chunau Lopsow half sidestep, side palm, pock palm. A variation to your opponent applying a lot of forward pressure with his fusco. Half sidestep and apply a poxout with your fusco to release his pressure. Palm strike, lop at the elbow, side palm to the neck. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.